What's going on, guys? Today I'm just going to quickly show you how to install Sqlite 3 um, into your Windows if you are using Windows. So let's just go ahead. First thing is go to Sqlite homepage. I just want to quickly show you the website. This is the site. Click on it. All right. Then head over to download and then head over to precompiled binaries for Windows and choose the last option, SQLite Tools Win32X x86. So choose this option and download it. Double click. Okay. All right. So now I'm within the folder. Once you're within the folder, extract all. Okay. Once you've extracted, you'll see there's 3 files over here. SQLite 3, SQLite 3 Analyzer, SQLite Div. All right. I want you to cut the folder and then head over to your C drive. So once you're in your C drive, right at the bottom here, within the C drive, just paste it. Okay. Then what I want you to do is we're gonna now set the environment variable for the SQLite tools. So double click on SQLite tools, and as you can see here, there's a path, right? So I want you to copy this path. Okay. Then what you can do is right click on Windows menu and head over to System. Okay. Type in environment variables, edit environment variables. Say yes. Okay. Click on environment variables. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to here by system variables, head over to path and then edit path. Okay. So once you're here by path, just press edit and then copy, paste the path here. Press OK. As you can see, the path has been created. Press OK. So in order to test your SQLite, to check if it exists, quickly head over to Windows menu here, right click, and you can take Windows PowerShell. Click on Windows PowerShell admin. For some of you guys, it could be control panel or what have you be. So click on that, say yes, and then what you can do is you can type in SQLite 3, press enter. As you can see here, it says SQLite version 3.37.2.2 and then the date and all the information related to it. So now you know that it's been installed, pre-installed. Okay, so guys, that's how you set up your SQLite 3, how you download SQLite 3 and set it up. Yeah, set up the environment variables, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my content. I really appreciate your support, and see you guys in the next video. Peace out.